possibility. Powered by Shopify.
Keep showing
Sign up for a free trial at shopify.com/odysseyfree. Shopify.com/odysseyfree.
If you owe taxes to the IRS, have unfiled returns, or are worried about an audit, the IRS is hiring 87,000 new agents to address these very issues. That means if you need to get your tax problems resolved, now is the time to get started. I'm tax attorney Robert Goldstein, and my firm specializes in helping individuals and small businesses resolve their tax problems. We work to stop IRS and state seizures. We may be able to settle your tax debt for pennies on the dollar with an offer in compromise. We prepare your past due returns, even if you have no record, and represent you before the
see
IRS
someone backing out,
in
you
an
fucking
audit.
go through, you need to watch.
The consultation is always
on.
free, and we have offices
The
throughout the
devil's
Bay Area.
like,
To schedule
what
your
are
free
you
consultation,
doing?
call
Can't believe it's Stone Stone. I mean, it's
exit. That's
crazy, but
888-TAX-EXIT. 888-TAX-EXIT. And make us your last stop.
Make a difference as a nurse at Vitas Healthcare and earn a lump sum payout after your first. With our new Difference Maker program, team members who care for patients at the bedside will be rewarded for their commitment with a lump sum payout after they reach their 1-year anniversary. Eligible positions include RNs, admissions RNs, LVNs, LVNs, and team managers. To earn your lump sum payout after your first year, apply today at careers.vitas.com.
Every year, we say we'll wake up earlier, exercise more, really rest, and eat healthier. It's hard for us, but for dogs, not so much. Dogs are up at dawn, run for fun, sleep like chimps, and they love eating healthy food every single meal. Give your dog another healthy habit. Real fresh food from the farmer's dog. Get 50% off your first box at thefarmersdog.com/radio.
Help DEA keep our community safe and healthy by participating in National Prescription Drug Take-Back Day, Saturday, October 29th. Take action right in your own home by cleaning out your family medicine cabinet of unneeded medications. Clean them out. Take them back. Find a collection site near you at DEATakeback.com. Do your part to lower overdose deaths and prevent prescription drug misuse before it starts. DEATakeback.com. That's DEATakeback.com.
Anywhere you want KNX News, you can get KNX News.
The free Odyssey app, Alexa, Siri, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok.
If it matters to you.
It's on KNX News, 97.1 FM.
I'm Ryan Payne. Coming up,
More people snapped at various locations around Long Beach. I'm Emily Valdez.
MasterCard is launching a new service that lets customers use their bank accounts to buy cryptocurrency.
I'm Art Sanders. Our rapper actor gets 50 years to life for sex-related crimes on teens and young women.
These stories coming up in the next 15 minutes. It's 11:15 now. It's time for your... That's what you got, Tony Campos.
Well, we had some slowdown in Burbank. This was due to an overturned car on the Empire Avenue off-ramp on that 5 South. And it looks like the tow truck is now taking both vehicles away. They might have some flares still on that Empire off-ramp. Those will burn out as time goes by, but it looks like all other lanes are open on the main line. A little bit of backup still lanes. We do have some slowdown at Sherman Oaks as you come down the hill. That's because of a newly closed connector. The northbound 405 to the north 101 is now closed for Caltrans work. That's got some things slowing from just before Ventura Boulevard, but that will clear up after everybody adjusts to that. What you can do is head eastbound on the 101 and exit at Van Nuys Boulevard, and then just get back on and head westbound, and that's how you can access the 101. We've got some slide through Mid-City as you head eastbound from Crenshaw to Arlington. That is a rather slow drive right now. They're working on the sand barrels on the 91 East at Craver. A crash, a vehicle hit those, and that's an immediate road hazard, so they're getting those repaired. And then we now have a full closure in Costa Mesa, the southbound 405. You're going to be diverted off the freeway at Fairview. That is closed from Fairview to the 73. Next report at 11:25 from the Irvine Auto Center, 24-hour traffic center.
Expect temperatures to be 2 to 4 degrees warmer near the coast, 4 to 8 degrees warmer inland and into the valleys. That sea breeze weakens and turns more offshore. Therefore, we are looking at a warming trend coming our way. Upper 80s today for the Santa Clarita Valley and for the folks in Lancaster and Palmdale. Low 80s Victorville. Headed down to the IE, look for temperatures in the low to mid 80s. Mid to upper 70s for parts of Orange County. 77 for LA. At LAX this afternoon, expect temperatures right around 73. We'll do low 70s in parts of Ventura County as well. Wait, so accurate and dependable forecast. I'm CBS 2 meteorologist Marquina Brown, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
11:17. 4 people are stabbed and 1 dies in different locations in Long Beach. Our Emily Valdez tells us police are trying to figure out if a man they arrested is responsible for all the attacks.
The first stabbing just after 5:30 in the morning on the sidewalk of Atlantic Avenue near Anaheim Street. About an hour later, a man was stabbed and injured on Olive near Atlantic.
Officers identified 2 male victims suffering stab wounds to the upper body. One victim was transported to a local hospital with non-life-threatening injuries, and the other victim was treated at the scene by responding LBPD officers.
Long Beach Police spokesperson Brandon Fahey tells KNX they arrested a suspect at that scene.
The suspect is believed to be a person experiencing homelessness.
Fahey said they don't know if the victims were homeless and they're trying to determine a motive. Reporting from Long Beach, Emily Valdez, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
Actor gets 50 years to life for sex-related crimes. Art Sanders tells us Kalen Walker is also ordered to register as a sex offender for the rest of his life. The attacks involving 3 teens and 4 young women date back to 2013. The Van Nuys jury convicted Walker in April of 3 counts of forcible rape, 2 counts each of unlawful sexual intercourse with a minor and rape of an intoxicated victim, and 1 count of assault. The prosecutor said Walker primarily used Instagram and Twitter to lure victims to fake photo or music video shoots or with a false promise of introducing them to someone famous. When they said stop, he didn't care. Walker, who appeared in the films Kings and Superfly, was arrested in September 2018. Art Sanders, KNX News, 97.1 FM. California's COVID state of emergency will be allowed to expire early next. Governor Newsom's office says the state is now fully prepared to deal with any new outbreaks. The state of emergency, as you may remember, began back in March of 2020 as the virus spread out of control, and more than a year before the first COVID vaccine was approved. The order will end in February. Many people felt a lot of stress during the peak of the pandemic lockdowns, but our Chris Sedens tells us about a new study that found the lockdowns were not the leading cause of extreme loneliness. Psychological distress.
Researchers at UC Irvine say people who consumed several hours of COVID-19 every day, be it TV, radio, or on the internet, were among those most likely to experience extreme traumatic stress. The study's lead author is Dr. Roxanne Cohen-Silver.
We have seen the importance of monitoring one's media intake, especially when the news is all bad and all you're hearing about is death and tragedy. It's not psychologically beneficial.
Months of the pandemic, while burdensome, were not related to the worsening of mental health conditions. Chris, 97.1 FM.
11:20 on KNX. We get a check in on your money with Larry Kofsky.
The week is off to a solid start on Wall Street, with stocks posting their best gains in 2 weeks yesterday. Sustaining the rally may be another matter, as we've seen more than once in recent weeks. Big one-day gains in the market were often followed by equally big pullbacks. NASDAQ led the way higher yesterday, climbing nearly 3.5%, even as Bloomberg Economics saw a 100% likelihood of a recession in the next 12 months. Coming today, the first of several housing reports due this week. The National Association of Home Builders Index of builder sentiment is expected to show a decline this month. MasterCard is launching a service that will let consumers buy and sell cryptocurrencies through their bank accounts, enabling hundreds of finance firms to offer crypto trading for the first time. The service, called Crypto Source, will debut next year. We check your money at 20 and 50 after every hour. I'm Bloomberg's Larry Kofsky from the California Deluxe Windows Money Desk, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
The voices you trust are on LA's Morning News.
On time to get to see that mother that you haven't seen in a long time, to get out of town to be on vacation. I just hope that people would know they are important to me. Traffic, I care about what you're going through.
Here's Jennifer York on LA's Morning News.
Have I told you I love you lately?
Weekdays on KNX News, 97.1 FM.
Every year, we say, well, wake up earlier, exercise more, really rest, and eat healthier. It's hard for us, but for dogs, not so much. Dogs are up at dawn, run for fun, sleep like champs, and they love eating fresh, healthy food every single meal. Give your dog another healthy habit. Real fresh food from the Farmer's Dog. Get 50% off your first box at thefarmersdog.com/radio.